Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to change the audio output on any iPhone. Now, to change the audio output on our iPhone, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now, in the control center, as you can see, we are currently playing a music in the background. And as you can see, the music is currently playing through the Bluetooth earphones, which is connected to our iPhone. Now, to change the audio output from our Bluetooth earphones to the speakers on our iPhone or to any other speaker which is connected to our iPhone. Now, once you open the control center, just tap on the music section in our control center. Now, at the bottom of the page, you will find the name of your Bluetooth earphones. Just tap on the name of your Bluetooth earphones, and from here you can change the audio output from your Bluetooth earphones to your iPhone speakers. Just like that. If there is any other external speaker which is connected to your iPhone, the name of the speaker will be shown right here, and you can select it from this menu to play the music from your speakers. And this is how you can change the audio output on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.